If you would like to custom name the PDFs that are downloaded from Core Production, we can do this from the admin side. If we exit Core Production, click on the admin tab to log us back into the CorePrint admin. Under the supplier tab, we can click on the product order config. From there, if we click the link products to criteria, we will see that any templated products have the ability to have the file name set for when they're downloaded. By clicking on this and then clicking on update, it will allow us to configure the naming structure for the files. I think it's very important to recognise that the order line ID is the unique element in the naming criteria. So unless you want all the PDFs to overwrite each other, it's very important that we keep the order line ID in the naming convention. So the first thing I would select from the Add Field drop-down would be the order line ID. Clicking on the green add sign actions that. Then we could put an underscore and then follow it up with perhaps the product code, which lets us know what client it's for, what type of product it is. Again, another underscore. And perhaps the person's name that's been entered onto the business card would help, so we can add that as some information. And then finally, we can also have the quantity added. Once that structure's in place, we can come back to Core Production. And if I select the same lines that I have previously downloaded, where we just had the order line ID as the PDF name, if I now download the same files, we can see that as well as having the order line ID, it also contains the product code, the person's name, and how many business cards they've ordered. This might aid in a very, very quick processing of the cards.